channel Traveling Soul's Tale. Today's video is about a healthy carrot cake recipe made with wheat flour, less sugar and no oil. So you can try this healthy carrot cake as your Diwali sweet. Let's get started. These are the ingredients to make carrot cake. 50 grams of butter, 150 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams of wheat flour, few almonds and pistachios, cardamom powder, salt, baking powder, 5 medium-sized carrots, three eggs and vanilla extract. First, we will chop the almonds and pistachios into small chunks and keep it aside. Grate the carrots like this and keep it aside. Take a baking tray and apply butter on all the sides of the tray so that the cake won't stick to the baking tray. Now take a large bowl with 3 eggs and start whisking it like this. Now add the sugar and butter and mix it well. Whisk until you get this consistency. Now add the wheat flour to it and mix it well so that it won't have any lumps. Now add 1 spoon of salt, 2 spoons of baking powder, a pinch of cardamom powder and mix it well. Now add a spoon of vanilla extract and mix it well. You can use cake mixing spatula to mix these ingredients. I don't have that spatula, so I am using this one. Now add the grated carrot to this mixture. Do not add water. The moist in the carrots will make the batter consistency good enough for us to bake the cake. Now add the half of the almonds and pistas to this mixture. Now our batter is ready. Transfer it to the baking tray. Bake it in the oven in 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our healthy, tasty carrot cake is ready. Now I'm adding the chocolate spread and adding the remaining almonds and pista nuts to it. You can add walnuts or cashew nuts if you like. Chocolate spread is made with 2 chocolates and 1 spoon of butter, nothing else. You can make cream frosting if you like. I prefer less calories, so I replaced cream with chocolate spread. Try this recipe for your Diwali and enjoy the carrot cake recipe at your home. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications if I post new videos. Bye bye.